Hello everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane. Today I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 free ways to find stocks to trade pre-market in the morning. I know as a newer trader it can be very tough because you're trying to go ahead and make those profits without investing in the tools right up front. So I'm going to show you 3 great ways that you can go ahead and do that, and they are 100% free. Okay, let me go ahead and change over here. So first of all, we do have Trade Ideas free trading room where you are going to see Barry's windows. So right now I'm filming this on a Sunday, so they are not current, but you would see Barry's repeating watch list right here. So it would have a shorter list there. So as new ones pop up, it would change there. We have the watch list up, and we also have the watch list down. I'm going to load mine very quickly because it would be a very similar layout, and I'll show you what you can see. You'll see that stock chart, but you're going to see Trade Ideas software in action, my #1 go-to for trading. And let me go back on the historical date. So I'll go ahead and I'll put it back. We'll put it back 3 days, and it's going to go ahead, see, and you're going to have these gappers. So as things are moving, you're going to go ahead and see all of these stocks as they are moving in real time, and Trade Ideas is an amazing software. So using the trading room, I'll put the link up above, is one of the great ways you can use this top software for free. You can also ask Barry's questions while you're using it. Now, Trade Ideas does get their software at 7 a.m. So if you want to go ahead and you want to start doing your scanning before that, let's go ahead and look. We do have Market Chameleon. Again, I'll put the link right up above. You can go ahead and check them out if you want to sign up for their next level up. And you would just go up here to stock and pre-market trading, right? And it's going to go ahead and bring up the pre-market. As far as the screeners, the block trades, you guys can go ahead and check it out when my Trade Ideas are down, or if I am traveling and I want to look, hey, it's 5:30 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. I want to see what's going on in the market beforehand, so I can go ahead and create my watch list, which I do offer to people as a subscription. And I'm not able to jump on my Trade Ideas. I'm still able to go ahead and use Market Chameleon, and their product is amazing as well. They also have block trades, which I also use the dark pool from the block trades. So another great free tool. Now you can see with the free tool, you're not going to get the entire list. You're just going to get a partial list. So if you go and you upgrade just a little bit, it will go ahead and give you that full list so you can see what's going on. Now you could go ahead and you can change it and you can scan it based on total volume. It's an amazing tool. Next, third free way to scan stocks in the morning pre-market is investing.com. Just go ahead and just go investing.com pre-market, and it'll pop up to this channel, or you can bookmark it, or I'm in Canada, so investing.com/equities/pre-market, and you'll be able to see, hey, look, these are the most active pre-market stocks, the gainers, and then you can also flip and you can see the losers as well. So maybe you are somebody that likes to short, you want to see what's going on with that, and you can go ahead and check it out right here. As always, everything I do is try to help you guys be better traders, not necessarily spend more on more expensive tools, but learn these little tips and techniques to go ahead and improve your trading. And as a beginner trader, I know it can be very tough when you are looking at the expenses of getting a computer, getting monitors, paying for software to get started. But most of all, please start off practicing with paper money. I didn't do that. I blew through my account when I first started, so I speak from experience. Get to know your own strategy that's going to work best for you. Practice, practice, practice. Once you're consistent with fake money, then go ahead and transition with small amount to real money. Don't blow up your first account like I did. All right, guys? Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time. If there's something else you'd like to see in my videos, please put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer it in another video for you. Have a great one. Bye.